Hello, everybody. We're going to look today at the present continuous tense. So this is used for things that are happening right now or for near future events. We express it with the subject plus the verb to be, which is expressed as am, is, or are, plus the verb plus ing on the end. So let's look at things that are happening right now first. I am talking. She is reading. They are watching TV. And in the negative, we're just going to add not. I am not talking. She is not reading. They are not watching TV. So now we're going to have a look at how it's used for future plans. I am throwing a party next week. We are visiting friends tomorrow. He is driving tonight. And in the negative, I'm not throwing a party next week. We are not visiting friends tomorrow. And he isn't driving tonight. So, what are you doing right now? And what are your future plans? Write your own sentences in the comments below using the present continuous.